Donna?
Саламатсыз ба? Естілді ме дауысым?
Yes. Hello.
Рахмет.
Yeah, hello. That's good. Yeah, Miss Aidana. Can you read this one, Miss Aidana? Yeah. What's this, Miss Aidana? This one is Aidana. Good.
Good morning.
Good morning. This one. Good afternoon. Yeah. And this one.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, this one's good afternoon. This one is.
No, good.
Evening. Yes. Good evening.
Good evening.
And this one is good.
Good
Night.
night.
Good night. And this one is
Hello.
hello. And this one is
Goodbye.
bye. Yeah. Goodbye. Thank you. Okay. And not this one, not this one, this one. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Ne diye cevap veremiz? Hello'ga. Aydana Hanım. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Huh? My name is Anya. Ne diyemiz?
What is your name?
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Anna. Nice.
What is your name? My
My-
name is
Ryan.
Ryan. Yeah.
Nice
To meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Деген не? Танысқаныма
Қуаныштымын.
қуаныштымын деген сөз. That's good. Aydana, thank you. Now let me ask some questions to Mr. Arnur. Arnur? Are you here, Mr. Arnur? Arnur, Dursungan.
Yes, I'm here.
Dreaming. How often do you dream?
Как часто я мечтаю?
Ну, мечтать еще этот, видеть сон, түс көру. Dreaming, түс көру. How often do you?
I see a dream once a week.
Once a week. Okay. Do you dream in color or black and white?
Color dream.
Have you ever had a flying dream? Have you ever dreamed that you've been flying in the sky?
No, in dream I go to I walk.
Yeah, you usually walk, yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And have you ever been falling in a dream and just when you are about to hit the ground, you wake up?
Типа, я падаю?
Бывает такое, да, вот спите и сон видите, потом просыпаетесь.
In dream I see mystic and I usually fallen.
Yeah, usual fall, yeah? That's good. Thank you, Arnold. Thank you. Now let me ask some questions to Miss Aidana. Aidana, let's fill this one, yeah? Hello. What's this? Hello, I'm Miss Hoa. Ne diye cevap veremez? Konuşma efendim?
Yeah.
Hello, Miss Hoa. Hello, Miss Hoa.
Hello, Miss Hoa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Next one, Aidana.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Hi.
I am.
I'm Hey. Hello.
Hello. I'm Fong. Fong. Fong. Yeah, I'm Fong. By name.
By name. By Aun.
Kuan. By Kuan. Quan. Kuan. By Kuan. Мгм.
Mhm.
How
Where are you? How are you?
are you? Қалайсың деген сөз, иә? Как дела? How are you?
Uh,
I'm
I'm fine.
fine.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Nice.
To meet you.
Аха.
Nice to meet you too.
To деген де деген сөз, иә? Мен танысқаныма қуаныштымын дейді. Мен де танысқаныма қуаныштымын дейді, иә? Дұрыс па? Мына бәрі түсінікті ғой переводтары.
Mhm.
That's good. Кет мына істеп мұнда. Hello, I'm Lan. Hello.
Hello, I'm Len.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to
Meet you
meet you.
too.
How are you?
I'm
I'm
fine. Yeah, I'm fine. Mana?
Thank you and you,
You? Fine.
fine. Kind of fine.
Fine, thanks. Mana?
Thanks, yeah.
You're
Fine,
right.
thanks.
That's good, Aidana. I like that. Thank you, Aidana. Now let me ask some questions to Mr. Arnoor. Yeah. Mr. Arnoor, are you here?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you think dreams have meanings? Thank you, Фируза.
Как meanings переводится?
Значение. Думаете ли вы, что у снов, да, у снов есть какое-то значение? Thank you, Фируза.
I think dreams don't have meanings.
They don't have meanings, okay? Why do you think so, Mr. Arnoor? Why?
Because in dreams is happening mystics and mystics
Mystic
and
things, yeah?
чудеса там.
Yeah, miracle,
Mirrors.
yes, miracle.
Miracle, yes.
Okay, that is good. And do you think that dreams can tell the future? Do you think that the dreams can tell you the future? Miracle Kaza, thank you.
I think yes, they can do it.
Have you ever been dreaming and woken up and couldn't move? Yeah. Have you ever been dreaming and woken up?
Yes. When I see dreaming, I woken up.
Yeah. Okay, that you couldn't. Okay, that do you believe that dreams can come true in the future? Do you believe that dreams can come true in the future?
У меня такого не было.
I've
don't
never.
have it.
Yeah, I've never had it. Yes, I've never had it.
Yes, I never have it.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Arnoor Tursun Khan. Thank you. Now let's continue with Miss Aidana. Are you here?
I didn't.
Yes, Aidana. Let's do this one. This one. Okay. Okay, let's do this one. Yeah. Good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Sit.
Sit down.
Down. How?
How are you?
You. Nice.
Nice to meet.
Yeah, nice to meet. Yeah, you can say. Yeah, that's good. Good morning. This one is good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone деген бәрі деген сөз. Good morning, everyone. Барлықтарыңызға қайырлы түн. How are
you?
То есть you деген қалайсың?
You?
Сіз бір мағына. Тағы да сендер деген екінші мағына да бар да. I'm fine. Next one. Thanks. How are you? This is
How are you? Yeah.
Great. Come,
Great.
come in.
Come in.
Come in деген не сөз? Кір дейді. Come in.
Kırınız. Please кешіріңіз.
Yeah, come in. Come in, please. Жоқ. Өтініш деген сөз ғой. Өтініш кіріңіз. Come in, please.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
My
Name is
Kate.
Kate. My name is Kate. Nice to meet you
Sit.
too. Sit down, please. Thank you.
Yeah, that's good, my friend, Miss Aidana. Thank you. That's good. Miss Aidana, бірінші сабақ қарадыңыз ба, видео сабақты?
Aradım.
Oh, that's good. Жасадыңыз ба жұмысын? Суретке түсіріп жібердіңіз ба?
Жасадым, бәрін жібердім, иә.
Сұрақ қойды ма Гүлзира ханым?
Оқыған жоқ, енді оқитын шығар.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Сосын, how are you?
Fine. Yeah, fine, thanks.
Fine, thanks.
How are you?
How are you? Grateful.
Great, yeah, great. Рыны жеп қоямыз. Great.
Great. Come in, please.
Come in, please. Nice to
meet you. My name is Kate.
Nice.
Kate. To meet you. Sit down, please.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you. That's good. I like that. Енді Mr. Arnold'dan сұрақ жіберейін. Бір-екі сұрақ. Mr. Arnold, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, now we stop here. Yes, what was the best or worst dream you can ever remember? Don't share your dream if it's too personal or too intense. Yeah.
Remember, который я помнил?
Yeah. Best or worst. Best and worst dream. Best это самый лучший и самый худший сон. Ну-ка, чё? Самый лучший сон.
My best dream when I walked in the forest, and the bad dream is when I fall in the light.
Ой, wow.
Ну, типа,
That's good. And what about the worst dream that you had? Worst dream? Thank you, Chunga Changa.
Worst dream is when I walked in the forest. And
a lion ate you.
Ну, ничего не произошло.
Nothing happened, yes? Nothing happened.
Yes.
Nothing happened. Hakan, salam alaikum. Oh, that's good. Why do we forget dreams so quickly, in your opinion? Why do we forget dreams so quickly? Forget это?
Забыть.
Забыть, да. Почему мы забываем сны так быстро, да? Не үшін біз түсте тез ұмытып қаламыз.
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, thank you. That's good, Mr. Arnold. Thank you. Now let me ask some questions to Miss Aidana. Yeah, this is the
This is
library room.
Library. Yeah.
New library again. Kitapxana. This is деген мынау деген сөз ғой. This is the library room. Now kitapxana. Thank you, Chunga Changa. Wow.
They are good.
They are good, did you? That's the school.
That's school, great.
Осы жерге school болады ғой. Мына так. Мына жерде компьютер деген бар еді, жоқ па?
Жоқ.
Okay. That's the school. Біраз айтасыздар, school room. Мектептің бөлмесі. Wow, many books дейді. Мына жерде осы жерге library қою керек та, өйткені books дейді, кітап дейді да. Wow, many books.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Mir Kim.
Mr.
My name is
Mr.
Mr. Kim. Ойбай, Мирді Mr. Kim. My name is Kate.
Kate.
How are you? I am great.
Nice.
Nice to meet you, Kate.
Kate. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Now let's move to the next page. Okay.
Оларды орындаған жоқпын ғой.
Ah, you haven't done this. Okay, let's do it together. Бірге істей береміз. It's 7 a.m. I am having breakfast дейді. Қайталаймыз. Repeat after me. It's 7.
It's 7. I am having breakfast.
Не деп айтамыз ол кезде? Good morning.
Good morning.
It's 10 p.m.
It's 10 p.m.
I am
going to sleep.
It's
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. It's 8 p.m.
It's 8 a.m. I'm meeting
Mr.
Green.
8 болса не деп айтамыз? Good
evening. It's 4
p.m.
It's 4 a.m. I am
PM кешкі уақыт қой, PM деген кешкі уақыт, AM деген таңғы уақыт та. I'm living Miss Bell's classroom.
Classroom болса.
Living дейді. Living деген кетіп баратырмын деген сөз. Не дейміз?
Goodbye.
Bye. It's 9 a.m.
I'm meeting my flight. Martin.
Досыммен кездесіп жатырмын. Митингден кездесіп жатырмын. Не деп айтамыз? Hello.
Hello.
Hello. It's 2 p.m.
It's 2. I am entering to library.
Enter the library деген кітапханаға кіріп баратқан кезде сағат 2-де не деп айтамыз? Good afternoon. That's good, Aidana. Thank you. I like that. Thank you. That's good. Okay, now let me ask some questions to Mr. Arnur. Arnur, are you here?
Yes.
Yes. Have you ever kept a dream journal?
Kept это...
Вы когда-либо держали журнал снов? То есть, вот сегодня на такой-то дата я видел сон, то, что я езжу на лошади, да, например?
No. I have never watched it, and I don't want to.
Yeah, I don't want to. Why do we dream? What is the purpose of dreams, in your opinion, Mr.?
Почему видим сны?
Yeah.
Because we paint.
Yeah, because we imagine, yes, we dream about something, and they can come as dreams,
yes.
Like things in our dream, yeah. And in your opinion, what is the purpose of dreams? Purpose.
Purpose это польза?
Ну, намерение, да? Цель. Цель. Hello.
Ну, у некоторых типа show future.
Yeah, some dreams show the future. Chunga açmış gülüyor. Chunga la. Okay, they have some dreams, but some of them don't have meanings. Yes. Do you think animals dream too? What kind of dreams do you think they have? Wow, this is an interesting question. Yeah.
I think yes, animal too see dreams.
They also see dreams, yeah? Uh-huh. What kinds of dreams do you think they have? Food? They may...
Это виды?
Yeah, какие виды вот снов они видят, да, во сне?
About animals and about life.
About life, about food, yeah? Okay. Thank you, Mr. Arnold. I like that. I like that. And Miss Aidana, are you here? Yeah, let's move to the next one. Okay, what do we have here? Oh my God, this is not good. Yeah, this is not so good, huh? This is not good. Okay. Okay, this is not so good. Okay. You haven't done this one, yeah? Where are you from? Жасамадыңыз ба?
Қайсы?
Where are you from? Екінші сабақ қарамадыңыз, иә? Бірінші сабақ қарадыңыз ба?
Жоқ, қараған жоқпын. Сіздің айтқандарыңызға қарадым.
Okay. Енді екінші сабақ қарайсыздар, тура солай да where are you from жасаймыз. Сөйтіп кете береміз, иә? Okay, Aidana, can you read this one? Hi, I'm Nick. Қайт жауап береміз? Hi, I'm Nick. Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Ja, жөн мынаған жауап берді мына. Hi, I'm Nick дейді, сәлем, мен Никпін дейді, оған не жауап береміз? Hello.
I'm Mary.
Yeah,
What's your name?
I'm Mark. I'm Mark.
I'm Mark.
And who is
this?
this? Who деген кім ғой? Who дейді, айтты айтып тұр ғой. Who is this? Ол кім дейді?
It is
Flocky.
Flocky.
It's Flocky.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Иә, мына жануарларға ит деп айта береміз, иә?
Затқа.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Sarah.
Не дейміз, яқта? How?
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, how are you? Не жауап береді еді бұл? Fine.
Thanks.
И кім бұл деп сұрап қоямыз, иә? It's Nick дейді. Who is this? Who's this? Ол кім дейді? Who is this? It's Nick.
Hey, Nick. I'm Barbie.
Hi.
Hi, Barbie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Bye.
Bye. See you.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow деген ертең деген сөз ғой. See you деген көрсетеді. See you tomorrow. Сіз завтра. Оны жауап береді.
Goodbye.
That's good. Miss Aidana, thank you. You're amazing. Thank you. Now let me ask some questions to Mr. Arnold. Mr. Arnold, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. What does your country's culture traditional believe about dreams?
Типа традиционные.
Да, люди в вашей стране, как по традиции, верят, что они верят, во что они верят про снах?
It's my country culture. Как будет верить?
Believe.
Don't believe for dreams.
Yeah, don't believe.
And I am same. Don't believe.
Yeah, I also don't believe. Yeah, I don't also believe. Have you ever had déjà vu?
Déjà vu это так и переводится?
Да, déjà vu. Знаем, да, что такое déjà vu? Это как будто вот что-то сейчас происходит, и это как будто у вас с вами что-то такое-то было в прошлом. Вы ну что-то скажешь сейчас. И сразу она скажет, короче.
Видение?
Да, ну что-то такое, да, например. Осы жағдай болып жатқан сияқты, деп осылай таңғаласың, да, удивляешься. Что-то такое-то было. Такое было у вас такое чувство?
Yes, I had something like that, and I know this.
So it's déjà vu. It's called déjà vu, yes? It's called déjà vu. Déjà vu, yeah? Okay. Now, Mr. Arnold, eating habits. Привычка едения, да? Gulistan, thank you. Talk about what you have eaten today. Can you tell me what have you eaten today for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner?
For breakfast, I ate 2 eggs and one кусок хлеба, lamb bread.
Loaf of bread.
Loaf of bread.
Yes.
And for lunch, I eat 2 sandwich, and for dinner, I eat chicken bowl.
Chicken bowl. Wow, that's good. Is that all?
Yes, it's all.
Yeah. What did you drink? What did you have for drink? For example, today, tea.
I drink 1 apple juice and 1 cacao and 2 cups of water.
2 cups of water. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. I like that. I like that. Now let's move to Miss Aidana. Are you here?
Айда береміз.
Yeah. Okay, Aidana, can you read? Hello, I am.
I am
Susan did. Yeah?
Susan.
Susan. Hi,
My name is
Millie.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm Anna.
Yeah, that's good. Hello.
Hello. Is
Hello. My
Zoom
name is Alex. Yeah? My name is Alex. Hi, I'm Sam. What's
your name?
What's your name? Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh, we've done all of them, huh? We've done all of them. We've done all of them. Енді Айдана ханым, давайте екеуміз практика жасайық. Мен сізге сұрақтар қоямын, сіз маған жауап беріңіз. I'm gonna ask you some questions, you have to answer, okay? Hello.
Hello. My name is.
Сұрамадым әлі. What's your name?
My name is Aidana.
Менен сұраңыз енді.
What is your name?
My name is Kairat. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Too. İslamca. Nice to meet you. Too.
Nice to meet too.
You too. Goodbye, Aidana.
Goodbye.
That's good. Қайырлы таң қалай болады ағылшынша?
Қайырлы таң. Good morning.
Қайырлы түн.
Қайырлы түн. Good afternoon.
Түн.
Good evening.
Түн.
Good night.
Yeah, good night. Қайырлы night
Good
болады.
night.
Қайырлы night болады. Қайырлы түс.
Қайырлы түс. Good. Есімде жоқ.
Afternoon. Good afternoon, yeah?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Сұрады.
Good afternoon.
Noon деген типа таңғы уақыт, after деген таңнан кейін деген сөз. Таңнан кейін не болады? Түс болады. Afternoon. Good afternoon. Қайырлы кеш.
Good evening.
Good evening. Көріскенше деген қалай болады?
Goodbye.
Goodbye немесе see you десек болады міне. See you. Жұмысты жаттап аламыз. See you tomorrow. That's good. Thank you, Miss Aidana. Thank you. That's good. Yeah, Mr. Arnold, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
What is the unhealthiest food you can think of? Tell me some unhealthiest food.
У меня
Yes?
зависло.
Yeah.
Тут нет вопросов.
Oh, really? What's the unhealthiest food you can think of? Tell me some of the unhealthiest food. Lavash, yeah? Fast food.
Фастфуд?
Yeah.
Что я знаю?
Yeah.
Um,
Unhealthiest.
I know burger, pizza, shawarma,
Yeah.
nuggets.
Nuggets.
А суши не считаются?
I think no, because sushi is like healthy food. You know, there is some rice and some fish. I think that is healthy. Yeah.
Okay.
Coke, Sprite, Fanta. Yeah.
Yes, Sprite, Mirinda.
Yeah. Sparkling water деп айтамыз біз. Sparkling, мы говорим sparkling water. Это у нас газированная вода. Sparkling, вот так делаешь, да? Sparkling water. Это у нас газированная вода, а не газированная вода, это будет still water. Okay?
Okay.
What do people need to eat more of, in your opinion, Mr. Arnold? What do people need more, in your opinion?
People need eat more chicken, rice, any bowl,
Some bowl.
Drink water, and
More seafood, yes? More seafood.
yes. Морскую еду.
Yeah, seafood, yeah? Thank you, Mr. Arnold. Thank you. Thank you. That's good. Okay, Miss Aidana, are you here? Aidana, yeah, that's good. We done this one. Yeah, that's good. Aidana ханым, екінші сабақ көрсеңіз, екі сабақты да көрсеңіз болады да, үш сабақ көрсеңіз болады, өзіңіз уақытыңызға байланысты ғой, егер уақытыңыз болып жатса, көргеніңіз жақсы. Окей, мынаны толтырып жіберейік, иә? Match, complete the greetings дейді. Мынау қалай болады?
Hello.
Now.
Good morning.
Hi, now. Good morning. Now. This one. Sayranama, thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Келесі evening болса?
Good evening.
Good evening. Bye. Қайырлы түн деген қалай болады жаңа?
Good night.
Good night. Have a great day. Have a great day деген күніңіз керемет өтсін деген сөз ғой. Have a great day деп айтамыз. Күніңіз күшті өтсін деген сөз. That's good. See you.
Meet you, mother.
Yes, see you later. See you later. Уақытты білмесеңіз, see you later дей саласыз. Кейін көріскенше дей саласыз. Ал ертең көріскенше десеңіз, see you tomorrow. Қайталаңыз. Repeat, please.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Келесі. Түніңіз жақсы өтсін дейді, иә? Түніңіз жақсы өтсін деген қайтып айтамыз. Have
good night.
Have a good night. Okay?
Night.
Have a good night. Келесі. Hi, Mr. Phoebe. How
are you?
Fine.
Thank you.
Thanks. And you, Dida?
You?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
And you, Mama? Fine, thanks. And you? Hey, Paul.
Good morning.
Bunu өтпедік. What are you doing дегенді өтпедік. Okay, see you later деп айтамыз, иә? Пока-пока деген дейміз. See you
later.
Енді мынау келесі тақырып, бұл не? Where are you from деген. Не деген сөз? Қайдан
боласың?
Сен, you деген сен ғой. Сен қай жерден, ден деген сөз қай жерден боласың, are деген. Where are you from? I'm from
Kazakhstan.
Yeah, I'm from Kazakhstan. Good. Мына қыз не дейді?
I live India.
Мынау не дейді? I'm from Canada. No, I'm from мына жерге the қояды. UK-дің алдына the қоямыз. I'm from the UK. Now?
I'm from the... Бұндай білмеймін.
Czech Republic. Чехия. Czech
Мгм.
дейді. Next one. I'm from
From
Australia.
Australia.
Мынау не дейді? Бұл
I'm from
The USA. USA.
USA.
Америка не деп айтамыз? I'm from the
USA.
USA. Now I'm
I'm from
South.
South.
South деген оңтүстік қой. Африка. I'm
М,
South Africa. Мен недемін дейді?
Африкаданмын.
Африкаданмын дейді. That's good. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Енді Арнұр мырзаға қояйық бір-екі сұрақ. Mr. Arnur, are you here?
Yes, yes.
Do you usually eat healthy food?
Healthy это полезный?
Да. Healthy это полезно, unhealthy это не полезно.
Yes. I very usually eat healthy food.
You eat healthy food. Okay, that's good. Hello. What are some different types of diets you've heard of, Ida? What are some different types of diets you have heard of? То есть, different types of diets, то есть, необычные что? Диеты или же необычные еды, которые вы слышали, да?
I know different types of diets. Don't eat 3 days and only drink water.
Oh yeah, no food, just water, yes?
Oh,
Drink
yes.
just water, okay. Do you think your parents ate healthier food at your age than you do? How about your grandparents?
Как я думаю, мои родители кушали неполезную еду в моем возрасте.
Нет, кушали ли полезнее еды, чем вы
Чем я?
в возрасте, да?
I think yes, because my parents very big and and my dad very taller.
Oh, very tall, yeah? Okay, what about your grandparents? Mixed қой жасын өлдірім, кезек сұрақ қоямын.
My grandparents or my granddad two это тоже высокий, and my grandma and my grandma широкая, или как правильно сказать?
Okay. No, okay. I think that they ate healthier food than your parents because during like early days, yeah, they didn't have fast food like nowadays, like it's like last 10 years or 15 years, fast food became popular in Kazakhstan, yeah, pizza, lavash, something like that.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's good. Thank you. Yeah, Miss Aidana, are you here?
He's here, değil mi?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, бізде бір-ақ минут қалды, Айдана. Тағы да бір практика жасап жіберейік, иә? Good evening, Айдана. Тағы бір практика жасап жіберейік, бізде бір-ақ минут қалды. Good evening, Айдана, жауап береміз. Диалог.
Good evening, Айдана.
How are you?
How are you?
Жауап берсеңіз, I'm fine.
I am fine.
And you?
You.